What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Oh man, it's been quite a long time since I talked about the iPad Mini 6 on the channel. And this is a iPad that many like and many don't. It's like a 50-50 or whatever you want to say. It's a personal preference kind of iPad. You either like this a lot, like me, or you just don't like it and you don't prefer to use this device. But nonetheless, I want to talk about the iPad Mini 6 and the perfect keyboard that I believe is the one to go with the iPad Mini 6. I did put up a video a couple months back talking about like a keyboard case, but as you know, this iPad Mini is a small iPad, which means the keypad is going to be small. Nonetheless, it was a really good keyboard for its price, like 30-40 bucks, and I still use it to this day, but I wanted something a little bit better of quality. So today I am going to be showing you guys the Logitech Keys to Go Ultra Slim keyboard, and it comes with an iPhone stand, but I mean, I already have an iPad stand. So I'm going to show you guys the Logitech Keys to Go, use it with the iPad, and really see if this is the best iPad Mini 6 keyboard. All right, so iPad Mini 6, and let's grab this right here, the Logitech Keys to Go keyboard. Let's put the iPad Mini 6 to the side for now, and let's get this open. So it has an ultra slim keyboard with the iPhone stand. Let's see if that iPhone stand does work with the iPad Mini. So you open up this flap right here, and let's take this out. Here it is. This is the one in like the navy blue. If I can pull it out, there we go. So it's just a keyboard, very slim, very slim. And the first thing that I noticed right here is micro USB. Micro USB. Okay, I'm not gonna get myself upset over micro USB right now, but that's a bummer. Maybe because Logitech has yet to update this, and I hope they do. Then you just have a setup guide, and then we have what is here, just some stickers. I assume these are some. Okay, that's actually very unique. Some stickers. And then we have, I believe, the micro USB cable right here, which I'm not even going to take out. And then right here is the iPhone stand. Okay. So the iPhone stand. Anyway, let's go ahead and see if we can dock this right here, and the iPad, which works kind of, just because it's a little too heavy. Let's try, something, for example, a Samsung phone, and see how it. Okay, so I think I know how it works. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at the setup. So you're going to just slide this in, just like that. Kind of keep it nice and firm right there, and then just plop in your iPad. And there you go. There we go. And I will be right back so I can bring up the camera facing down a little bit higher. So there it is. There is the iPad right here. I wish I had my mouse with me, but I don't. This is actually pretty cool. So what you would have to do is on the side, you would have to turn it on. And right now it is turned on. You are going to, I'm going to go to Bluetooth real quickly, and hopefully it pops up. It pops up as other devices keyboard, keys to go actually right here. So I'm going to do keys to go. There we go. It says connected. So let's say I'm going to go to medium, and I want to write a story. Wow, this is a story about my new keyboard. Okay, that's actually really nice. Really, really nice. In fact, just so we can see how it looks, I'm going to take out this stand right here. So the keys themselves, and I have to get used to this keyboard themselves, don't really have any I feel like I'm pushing like some sort of plastic and mush. It's not really, I don't get the really good sensitivity that I would on a normal, obviously, laptop keyboard like the MacBook Pro, or even like a mechanical keyboard, something like this. I don't get that that nice comfort feeling. I just feel like I'm pressing on mush. It's really not that great, but for what for what this is, it gets the job done. It's definitely much larger and better than the smaller keyboard that comes with an iPad mini that you can find on Amazon. But otherwise, it's pretty nice how right here it has like the brightness. You can change the volume from right here, which I like. There's a home button right here. This is actually very useful. So let's say I'm in Safari, I need to go home. That's it. Keyboard, there's brightness, like I said. You can pause if you're watching a video. So there we go. Now I have to kind of, there we go. I have to turn that off. But it works with everything really. Bluetooth, battery, locking the screen even. That's actually really cool. I'm done. I want to lock the screen. There you go. But I think the best setup with this would also be to have a mouse, which I would personally prefer the MX Master. I wouldn't go and get something smaller than that. That's just my personal preference. But for those who actually want to rock this as their portable setup, I think this is it. This is it. The one complaint I still have is how this keyboard is micro USB, but otherwise when I'm taking a look at it, it's not too large. This keyboard is actually not that large. It's very portable and minimal, and even if you don't, for me, I have a keyboard or a case right here that also acts as a stand for me, so I don't really need to bring this keyboard with this little iPhone stand with me at all. I can just go like this too and use it just like that. And this case, this stand right here is from ESR. So that's really it. I think this is a much better keyboard just because it's a little bit larger. It's much portable, and I like how it has these separate keys up here, the home button, especially the lock button right here. That's it. Press that lock button and you're all set to go. And if you want to use a mouse like the Logitech MX Master 3, that's also a huge plus. I've been using this device nonstop. The iPad mini has been my all-time favorite device of 2021 and my best purchase, one of my best purchases of all time. I can debate on other purchases too, but this has just been my favorite device. I use it for almost everything. I create my wallpapers. I write a bunch of my Medium articles on my iPad mini 6. I use it for universal control. It's just been my, I've been carrying it with me everywhere I go. I look for reasons to use this device more than my my iPhone and my other devices as well. And this is, in my opinion, the best portable kind of, if you want to travel too and get some work done, this is it. If you're going to do something like heavy, like coding and editing videos, even editing videos on this with LumaFusion is a huge plus. But anything else that requires like a desktop or something like macOS or Windows, then yes, I'd understand. But other than that, this is perfect for traveling too. And I actually am traveling for the next 2 weeks at the time of this recording. I will be traveling overseas. So this is going to come in real clutch for me. And hopefully you'll see some of those clips of me traveling in the near future on the channel. But that's really been it. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below of this. Very slim, very portable. If you can get through just the fact that it has micro USB, I wouldn't, I definitely pick this up. And I hope Logitech does update this to make a USB-C, because now, because of this having micro USB, I have to carry an extra cable. I mean, it's a first world problem carrying a bunch of cables, but having one cable for all my products, for all my devices like my iPad mini, my camera, and my phone, using one cable is just a breeze, but now it's not going to with this. But I can last through it, that's okay. But that's really been it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. Anyway, that's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.